Oh, hello guys! Welcome to my channel, and you are watching Ashan Master Gaming. So, guys, you can see I'm a hatchling right now, but before that, I'm sorry because I have literally not uploaded a video in ages. So, yeah, I'm gonna say sorry because I had exam and I was like not in the mood to record anything. Yeah. Guys, I just got the whole stumble pass. Not the premium pass. I just got it. I just got it. I even got the punch emote. Where is it? Okay, it's there. See that, guys? I got a good punch emote. Punch them, hatchling. Punch them. Punch. 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 Oh, good. CD D's. Can I not take out anyone? Can I not research it? So guys, does it even do anything? It doesn't do anything. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna show you guys my proness. Like how pro am I? What is proness? I think there is some adjective or something. Okay, scan and climb. One of my least favorite maps because I actually get eliminated. Say about that. Bro, why can't you even die? Bro, see that. Life is so unfair. Wait, I'm thinking all the stumble guys and maps are toxic. All of them are killing me. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I'm also gonna be dead. Wiggling my way. On. Life goes on. After a hatchling, Dadima! Oh my god, what did just happen? What just happened? You can see a chicken here, right? But before there was a hatchling. Oh, I think you don't have a hatchling. I used hatchling. But then that ad came, and that person just became the chicken. Wow. Chicken. He's a chicken. Wow. Okay, let's play some rounds. But I'm still astonished how the hatchling became a chicken in just like 5 seconds. Not even 5 seconds, bro. Power push. Okay. Come on, chicken. I think it just said okay. What is that? Punch someone. Did anybody got punched? Oh, people are punching hard. I am the worst puncher in the history of Tumble, guys. Punch. Oh, I punched the businessman. Now you want to give me chocolates and candies. Life goes on. Oh, I tried to punch the hatchling, because it's already broken. So, what is going to happen if I, punch? Oh. Life goes on. I'm gonna punch this businessman guy. Oh, bro, so sorry. This businessman guy is gone because I punched him and I was the last one to qualify. Oh my god, I am so sorry to him. I just wanted to be like a friendly punch. In like real boxing, you punch somebody and KO them, but they're not dead. Like that. I wanted to punch him and make him go far, but I want him to qualify because then he could punch me because karma always comes back. All this makes me. My mind is blown. My mind is blown because of all the excessive. Oh my god! Bro, what is this? should not be. No, I'm just kidding. I was gonna tell something which is going to be very. Bro, hell, sheep. Why is he spinning so fast, bro? Even a aeroplane's propeller can't spin so fast. Bro, where am I even going? Are there even people? Bro, what? Life goes on and like it's going up. I wanna punch people because that's what I'm made for. Actually, that's not what I'm made for, but yeah. Okay, I need a waterfall. Oh, Pingulor. That. So, oh my god, he was at the corner. The Lord of corners. I'm in the corner too, bro. I'm in the corner. Bro, what is the relationship between me and Jungle Roll? I hate the jungle. Jungle Roll likes jungle, and I don't like even Jungle Roll. And how is it literally even liking me? Bro, this is a scam. Oh my god, there's another chicken. We saw that there's another businessman, bro. There's another businessman. Life goes on. Okay, guys, I can do this. Wait, literally, I can actually do this. Oh god, let's go! Hey, my first win. I recorded like 5 games, and this is my first game winning. Oh god, this guy is doing the pok dance, like pok. Oh god, first win. Let's go. I think I can play one last game if it takes 7 minutes, or like, yeah, it should be the last game because I already won the first game, so I should not feel overconfident now. Guys, oh god, I'm feeling actually very happy, and I should not get eliminated in the process of feeling happy. Happy is, what's the meaning of happy? Happy is satisfaction. Why am I jump button not pressing, bro? Like I said, you guys, I'm not able to qualify. Let's go, boy. I'm gonna punch one person. I'll try one time. If I don't, whoa! I am sure and okay, bro. That was so scary. I thought I could go punch one person, but you know, there are like 11 people already qualified, and like 4, including me. So I left that something somewhere near. That's why I thought I was gonna get disqualified. So I ran for my life. I am here to win this game, not to punch people, make the 4-year-old cry. No, it's not 4-year-old, not even old as me. Oh, but it's so close for Lava Land. You guys, you know, I've only got Lava Land for 4 times, and all of the times I've been eliminated. See, all those times I was getting the 3 times. Oh god, I just spit dead saliva on my phone. That is really bad. It's really bad. Anyone here? Okay, I'm not gonna punch anyone except this. Okay, you guys see, I was Lava Land right here. I played 3 times. I lost all 3 times. the fourth time which I played, I was the second last to, like, I came second place. So I thought I was satisfied, but no, I was not satisfied. Honey drop, it's a nice way to, end the game. So let's see what we can do. Let's see if I can win, but most probably, I'm not such a good honey drop player. Okay, the next layer we come, I'm just gonna cut it off. Cut. Okay, that guy is so bad. Okay, what is happening here? Okay, me and Stumble King are the only people in this layer. Okay, I think I'm going a bit fast. Okay, I'm gonna win this game, guys. See that? I still have a space. I have a lot of pace. Let's go! I won the game! So, guys, this was a good game because I played 2 games, won both of them. So I'm happy. Happy is the meaning of feeling satisfaction. So I got some satisfaction. I hope you guys did too. Got happy. Did you guys get happy watching my video? Comment down below, and I will see you in the next game. Even the chicken says he'll see you in the next game. Bye guys. Oh my God, Dadima is here again.